In this video, we will discuss the status of SBF in the fourth week of jury. So without wasting your time, let's start. SBF took the stand again on October 27. This time in front of a jury, he told the courtroom that he had been blindsided by the $8 billion shortfall that led to FIX and Alameda Research's collapse. The former billionaire testified and went through a thorough cross-examination on October 26, without a jury present after the government raised concerns about certain aspects of CF's testimony. However, Judge Lewis Kaplan ruled that CF's testimony could be heard live by the jury, and the process will now repeat in front of them. Almost the entirety of the day was dedicated to SBF's testimony, which gave the courtroom further insights into the inner workings of FTX and Alameda from his perspective. He is expected to continue testifying for the first half of the proceedings on October 30. The day commenced with Judge Kaplan addressing concerns raised by the prosecution, specifically referring to disruptions in the gallery during the trial. The judge firmly cautioned that any further disturbances would result in the removal of the individuals responsible. Additionally, the prosecution requested an instruction to the jury emphasizing that any perceived impoliteness should not affect their judgment. The first order of business when the trial resumed was the defense team's request for a standing objection to the use of statements made during the previous day's cross-examination. Judge Kaplan noted the potential for misleading impressions arising from these statements but ultimately allowed them to be used as evidence. He informed the defense that there is no provision for such an objection in the federal rules and instructed SBF's lawyer, Mark Cohen, to make his objections on record as needed. Judge Kaplan also ruled on the admissibility of evidence related to legal opinions sought by SBF and his legal team. While the judge permitted the introduction of evidence concerning data protection policy, he declined to admit plain vanilla legal opinions drafted by the defense lawyers. He emphasized the relevance of such evidence to the case and indicated that he would elaborate on this matter in the event of a conviction. The defense commenced the examination with a seemingly straightforward query asking the former billionaire what FTX stood for. SBF immediately responded that it meant futures exchange, setting the stage for a thorough exploration of FTX's origins and ambitions. SBF's testimony shed light on FTX's foundational principles and mission. He described how the company had been driven by an unwavering commitment to creating the preeminent futures exchange globally. This ambition was underpinned by the company's belief in the transformative potential of cryptocurrencies and its determination to deliver a platform that surpassed competitors through innovation and cutting-edge technology.